Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 NEC. This essential tax document reports payments made to non-employees, like independent contractors or freelancers, for services rendered. Businesses issue this form when they pay an individual $600 or more during the calendar year. It helps the Internal Revenue Service track income earned outside traditional employment relationships, ensuring proper tax reporting for both parties. As a business, you are generally required to file Form 1099 NEC if you paid a non-employee $600 or more for services. This includes payments to independent contractors, freelancers, and even attorneys. The critical deadline for both sending copies to your recipients and filing with the Internal Revenue Service is January 31st. Missing this date can result in penalties. Filling out Form 1099 NEC requires accurate information. You'll need your business's name, address, and taxpayer identification number, along with the same details for each recipient. The total non-employee compensation paid to each individual for the year goes into Box 1. This crucial information is usually collected from a completed Form W-9 provided by your contractor at the start of your working relationship. Once completed, you'll distribute the various copies of Form 1099 NEC. Copy A goes to the Internal Revenue Service, Copy B to your recipient, and Copy 1 to your state tax department if applicable. Always keep Copy C for your own business records. You can file electronically, which is mandatory if you have 10 or more forms, or mail paper forms along with a summary Form 1096.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.